So guys, join me. Let me style my hair. Eh? You know, I don't want to play this hair now until next week. You know that next week is Christmas. So let me just style it so that it will be a little bit better before that next week. So let's start. Mama, shift over. So first of all, use a comb. This is not comb already. Like this. Supposed to be touch it. Hold it on. Hold it on. At the back. Mama, take the rubber band. Oh. Double it. You hold. You hold it. You light it. Very, very well. Now, you bring your wig. Use oil. This is one oil. One oil. Mommy is learning work. Mama, I hope you're learning.
Yes.
You rub it. I just want to put small. Then I'll shift over. I'll style your own later. Oh? Go down so that you not fall. Oh? You will not. You fall. Go down. You fall. You will not fall there. I don't want to see you in this video. I'll style your own later. Oh? So now, after doing this, you make sure you comb it very well. Comb it. If you have a stretcher, you use your stretcher and stretch it. But I don't have light here now, so I can manage it like this. See, it's shining. So you do it like this, like this, like this, like this. You hold it like this. Use rubber band like this and hold it. Remember, it is just small. I don't want it to be big at this point. Like this. You could use this. Hold it. I will still use this one. So depending on how you want to style it. Victor, give that into bread. I don't want him to cry again. That is what I have to deal with here. You cannot make video without shouting. That is why most times I silence my video and add music. I use this. Hold it back to make it lap very well. Go and sit down there and drink that bottle of water. Then where's that rubber band? Let me give it. Give me. Thank you. So you cannot use the rubber band. Hold it very well because you can see that it is losing small. My hair did not relax very well because I did not relax the hair. The hair is due for relaxing, so that is why it is not lap very well. But even at that, at least it's better like this than to carry it just like that, you know. So at this point, I am done. I cannot just do a little makeup. Let me go up. See that I now look different, right? So at this point, you can use your powder. So you can see I'm better like this than like that. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please share this video. This is just a simple makeup you can do to change your face when you go on your casual daily activities. Then if you want to go for wedding or all this big occasion, you cannot look for a makeup artist. So share this video. I hope you like it. Please share. I love you. Follow my page and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you.